Ndakamuona mwana uyo achitamba ega urine vamwe shamwari dzaimutiza dzimwe dzacho dzaimuseka asi kusanzwisisa masikirwo ake nekushayiwa ruzivo.
Autism is a lifelong condition, and an autistic person's needs, strengths, and challenges may change over time. As they transition through life stages, they may need different types of support and accommodations.
With the prayer, I'm going to decode this biggest puzzle. Will you be happy? Yes. Because if this puzzle is solved, I'm very confident your thinking process will change, your approach will change, and when you know at the end of my talk, yes, my child is a blessed child. Why is a blessed child, you ask me? Every autistic child is an autism. You carry your repairing kits in your body. If you see medical conditions treated at STEMCELLS, the figures are growing and growing and growing. When you go to my personal profile, you will come to know how child science is changing.
Early intervention and therapies can make a big difference in a person's skills and outcomes later in life.
My name is Dr. Andeline Tacey. I'm from Cape Town, South Africa, and we are here on a conference to hand out appreciation awards for organizations and individuals in the field of autism and neurological disorders. I really appreciate the organizations that raise awareness in the community and in Zimbabwe and the country as a whole. And I would like everyone to join a WhatsApp group or a support group where possible, so that you know that you have support whenever you need it. There's organizations like Autism Zimbabwe, there's also an organization like Safe Haven, and many more organizations that are here to help parents and families with autism and neurological disorders. And if you need help, all you have to do is to reach out. Thank you.
When you were young, or even today, when you go with a fever to a medical doctor, he will give paracetamol for the time being, right? The next patient goes with a different cause of fever, he will get a paracetamol, right? Third patient goes with a fever, he will get a paracetamol. This science is not a generalized one, which you are going to listen today. The same tablet will not get everyone. Everyone will have a personalized, customized, precision medicine depending on your molecules of the cells, how they are functioning.
My name is Daniel Michael. I'm also a co-founder of Autism Zimbabwe, which is based here in Harare, Arua. Right. We cater for kids with autistic challenges and autistic spectrum disorders. We are here gathered to witness the lecture and a small workshop which was done by our esteemed doctor from India. It was all about STEM treatment medicine. What it means is that there are children with challenges and disabilities whereby they need to have their lives back in terms of their function and of course their social abilities. So this STEM treatment therapy, it kind of uses the original cells in your body to our clients, and these cells now they will kind of regenerate to make those other cells which are not functional to start functioning. and hence the child or whoever so needs that therapy becomes functional. So the idea of us gathering here with the different departments is for us to go out there and spread the message that now we have what we call the stem cell treatment therapies, which might benefit our children who have these challenges. So our duty now is us. We should go out there and spread the message to our different areas of concern, so that people will get this knowledge. Apparently, this service is being offered in India, but we hope that in due course, when we do our proper networking, probably eventually it will spread to Africa and probably in Zimbabwe in particular. That's our approach.
Your body is made of 100 trillion cells. Now these 100 trillion cells are coming from this single cell. Do you understand the power of this God cell now? Your body is made up of 222 different organs. Got it now? All these are coming from this single cell. Got it? And they are representing by 30,000 genes in your cell. And they have a powerhouse which is called the mitochondria, which is giving energy to the cells to divide, to do function. If this energy source is removed from you, you will die. Cells cannot pass on proper signals. Cells cannot divide properly. Cells cannot function the given function in a healthy way. The same thing is happening in your children's now. Now you can see the single zygote cell making a whole structure of the cell, which we call as a gastrula, and from them we make all the bones, cartilage, muscles, immune system, everything. When the cells belong to our own body, we call them autologous. When we take from the other source like cord, tissue, cord blood, we call allogenic. Adult cells, when we use the cells from our own body, when we become adult. Got it now? When we use these cells from an embryo, which I showed like pluripotent or bipotent in earlier slide, adult stem cells, which I said you, which are present in your body. Okay? These are from the brain, dental pulp, tooth, your bone marrow, muscles, adipose tissue, testicles, brain, and everywhere. These are your powers to repair the brain of the children. The bone marrow has a power, as I said you, regeneration, replacement, and regeneration. These three qualities of the patient's body, we have to use it.